A lot of our people are under the Enochian deception, right? People believe that the book of Enoch was written by the father of Methuselah, the son of Jared. There was no writing system in that time period. So the man himself did not write anything. But this is not the point of the video. What I want to talk about is the sliver crescent is not a part of a seventh portion of the moon, as to what the book of Enoch talks about, the seventh portion, right? No, this video is not about whether the full moon is the new moon or the black moon is the new moon, but we all know that both of them is the seventh day, right? So whether you start with the black moon as the new moon or the full moon, you understand that 15 days after the black moon is the full moon, or 15 days after the full moon is the black moon. We know that there's one day separate for the new moon day, right? No, when you deal with the sliver crescent, the one that you saw on Friday, August 14, right? So Friday, August 14 would be the sign, because you see the sign before you see the actual thing. So Friday you saw the sliver crescent. Then Saturday, the 15th of August, would be the day of the new moon, supposedly, right? Now here's my point. Like I said, from the full moon to the black moon would be 15 days, right? From the black moon to the full moon would be another 15 days. Now this, regardless whichever moon you use as the new moon, it is divisible by 7. We understand it would remainder 1, and the remainder 1 would be the day of the new moon. So there's 14 days, so there's 14 portion of the moon, right? Now the sliver crescent, from the sliver crescent that you saw the 14th of August to the full moon is not divisible by 7. There is no 7th portion of the moon where the crescent is concerned. So Friday you saw the sliver, right? 14 portion is not going to take you to the full moon. The full moon is going to be on the 27th of August, which is going to be a Thursday, Gregorian time. That's going to be a 12-day period. Why is it so hard? 12 is not divisible by 7. So this is my point. The sliver crescent cannot be a 7th-day cycle. It's not in that thing to be part of the 7th day. The black moon is part of the 7th day, the second day of the black moon, because there's 3 main days that the moon is black for. The second one is the 7th day, right? The full moon is also a 7th day, right? The half moon is also a 7th day. The other half moon is also a 7th day. So the 1st, the 8th, the 15th, the 22nd, and the 29th, but they have to be in alignment with the lunation of the moon, the phase of the moon. So it's not just any day is a 7th day. The moon has to confirm that. You understand what I'm saying? So the sliver crescent is not a 7th day. And 7 days from the sliver crescent is not in alignment with the phase of the moon. That should be a 7th day. So that's the Enochian deception that most of our people are under, thinking that that's the 7th day. No, you're under the Gregorian calendar. You're using their newness and IDs. The black moon is the new moon, but then start the taxation at the sliver moon. That's Greco-Roman doctrine.